Okay, today I have to take this system, my 48 volt system, offline. I got to put in another charge controller. I'm going to put it right there on that board. And I got to put another fuse block in there. And I got to take that whole system offline. And I'm going to go back to my old system for a couple hours while I do it. That's a Samlex. It's a 12 volt system. Samlex 3000 pure sine wave. A couple of lead times in there. This box is so my batteries never hit freezing temperature. That's the concrete block there and the concrete floor. And this point here is about 4 feet below ground. The ground is right about here. So that's how I keep from freezing on the lithium batteries passively without using any electricity. Same thing over here. That whole thing is all hardy backer and boiler block. You can see this. This is the front door. It's like mineral wool. That stuff right there. But anyway, getting ready to take this system offline. I'll show you the generator interlock kit on my panel. That's the interlock kit. So on this 30 amp breaker, normally a breaker would go out and feed something like a welder or a dryer. But in this case, I have the output of the old system. It comes in here to leg 1 and it's jumped to leg 2. And if I were to flip this right now, well, then I would have that inverter right there feeding into that inverter, and one of them would probably blow up. What this interlock kit does is you cannot flip this breaker that inverter is on until you turn off the main breaker by this thing. See that? So I'm going to do it right now. And that's going to disconnect that big inverter down there from the system. Alright, so we'll turn it off. And now that it's off, see, I can lift this up and it frees me to, see if I can get some light. So it allows me to flip this breaker over now. See, as long as it's on, then it's blocked right here. So we'll flip it up. There. That's it. See, now we're on the old system. And that's totally offline down there. And now I can turn that all off and work on it without any problem. So yeah, generator interlock kit. And they're only like 30 bucks. Good thing to have if you're in an off-grid cabin or something.